Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? This is Horace, also known as La Machine, and this is another episode of Jump On It where we give free leads. So let's get right into it. And remember, guys, the purpose of this is not only to just give you free leads, but also to show you and encourage you by demonstrating how you can be using the software Tactical Arbitrage wherever you are. So I'm actually out right now, and here's what you're going to watch. This is Tactical Arbitrage on my phone. Okay, so watch what happens here. We're going to come down to members access. You see that? And we're going to get to a folder that was created just for you. So how do we get to that folder? Watch what we do. We go reverse search. We go saved reverse. We let that load. Then we come to, if we can get it to load here, we'll come to the folder that is for you. And what's the name of that folder? It is Working Class Hustler. I think I closed it by mistake. Okay, now watch what happens. Working Class Hustler. All right. We'll let that open up. We'll let that populate. It takes a minute, so you need a little bit of patience. But we're out here in the field, and we're making this happen together. Now watch this. I'm just going to give a couple. I'm actually, you know what? I love spoiling you guys. So you're actually going to get 3 leads. So we're going to look at these 3 leads. What do you got? You got a Halloween. Remember, we're getting into the Halloween season. We got a some type of hook that I found, and then we have, don't go away on me, we have some supplements in case you're approved in the supplement category. Definitely the Halloween you should be able to get. Now, so what are we doing here? We're looking, like right there, you see that 35? That's the estimated monthly sales, okay? What's that? What is that? $6.33? That's the profit you're going to make after your expense. What's the, if I can get it to show, 51%. What is that? That is what your return on investment is going to be, okay? Now, we're coming over. And now we're looking at what you're going to spend. All right. So watch what happens here. We're going to look at the product on Amazon. There it is. Guys, don't tell me that you can't do this, because you can. Okay. You're talking new, $20.16, whatever. Watch this. At the store where you can get the product. Oh, that's the Walmart. Let that load. Look at the price at Walmart. $11.98. And for those hustlers that know, no, this is not third party. This will ship, and it is sold and shipped by Walmart. There you go. So that's one. We're going to put the links in the description. I got to make this quick, guys. I spoil you enough. All right, what else we got here? We got this hook right here. Let's look at the numbers. Okay, you're talking about a profit of $10.80. That's an 85% return on investment. Okay. Now, what are we looking at? We're looking at, look at the rank. We got your cost, which is going to be something like $9.59. We can see what it's selling for on Amazon. Let's see. Now, let's look at it. Give it a minute to load. Takes a little bit. There it is on at Kmart. You see the title? There's the image. Takes a little bit, but that's okay. We got enough patience to make some money, right? So we'll give it a minute. There we go. Now look it. There's your price, $9.59. Okay. Look it. Free shipping is available. That means this is not a third party, right? Now, what do we say you're selling that? You're going to buy that for $9.59, of course, plus tax. Now, let's look at it. Let's look at it at Amazon. Okay. Look at what that's going for. $35. Okay. And I'm not even sure, you might even be the only FBA on that. Watch this. This one you really want to pay attention to. To understand what the software does for you. Look at. The software is saying that you're going to pay, let me get back. Sorry about that. My fingers. The software is saying you're going to pay like $47.94 and it's selling for $73.46. Now watch what happens. $47.94. Why is that? Watch this. We're going to go to the website that has the product. Okay. Give me a second. Now, look at the price on that. You got to understand, this is a bundle of 6. So the software already calculated up the whole bundle. You see what I'm saying? Think about that. And yes, they will deliver. Now, look at. The software has figured out that you're going to make, if I could get that, $9.55. That's a 20% markup. Okay. So the bottom line is this, guys. We're going to have the links to those. That's 3 products that you could actually source today. Especially look at that Halloween one, but also look at the other ones. These are some better return on investments. Usually the ones I give you, $2, $3, these are bigger because we want to continue to improve. Working class hustlers keep coming back. Why? Because we keep getting better at giving you. Okay, everybody wants a channel that talks about what you could be doing and, theory. No, not good enough for the working class hustlers. You guys are coming out here, especially you new people. You're coming out here saying, hey, what can I sell? Help me, give me some leads. Don't send me down some rabbit hole. That's what this is all about, guys. So take the lightning course so that you could learn how to use the software. Okay, look down in the description, get your free 10-day trial and already know what you're doing. So the lightning course only takes like 10 minutes. You could be up and running. This was so quick, guys. If I spent 10 minutes finding those 3 leads, and it's so many. I mean, there's just so many. You want more? You like free leads, right? Join us on Saturday. Spend 2 hours just giving you leads, along with the giveaways, along with you being a part of the family, along with the networking every Saturday, guys. Sign up, okay? To subscribe to the channel is free. Click the button right now. Click the bell notification because we are uploading 4 videos a week. We're doing Jump On It's on Wednesdays. We got 2 uploaded videos to help you advance your business Thursdays and Fridays, and then every Saturday we go live. This is where you need to be. If you're a beginner, you just hit the jackpot, baby. You home now. Welcome to the Working Class Hustler family, and I'll see you in that lightning course video. Later.